There's a lot of snow across the nation. Here in northwest Indiana, we are in the 6 to 12 inch range. This was valid as of yesterday. You see it tapering off as we go down to our south. Portions of southwest Michigan are in the 12 to 18 inch range, while down to our south, portions of extreme southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, and even western Kentucky and west Tennessee are in the 18 to 24 inch range. They experienced most of that snowfall yesterday. And then as we slide up the east coast, they just can't seem to catch a break. Portions of Maine are in the 24 to 36 inch range, while there are even a few spots that are in the 36 to 48 inch range. So a lot of snow is out there, but the good news is we won't be adding much to that, at least here in northwest Indiana, which is always a good thing. Forecast temperatures for today, we're expecting a high of 17 degrees with an overnight low of 6. Now, if this low temperature record of 6 verifies, it will break the overnight low temperature record set back in 2013 of 10 degrees. Average ranges from 36 to 20. So once again, we are well below normal. Temperatures this morning will be in the teens, 18 degrees here in Valparaiso, 19 in Gary and in LaPorte, and we will cool back down into the low teens and even the possibility of some single-digit temperatures. I think this model is being a little bit warm, only bringing Valparaiso at 10 degrees. I think most of the region will see temperatures in the single digits during the overnight hours, and then warming up again into the teens for the afternoon. Now, the wind chills will be the big factor as we head into especially Wednesday night and Thursday. It will feel like the teens this evening, and then during the overnight hours dropping down to feeling like negative teens, around negative 19 degrees by Thursday morning at 2 a.m. And this is the time, or excuse me, this is the range that frostbite can occur in less than 30 minutes. So definitely bundle up if you have to be outside at all that early in the morning, and then not much relief as we head into the afternoon hours as well. Only 11 degrees, or feeling like negative 11 degrees in both Valparaiso and in Wheatville. So be sure to bundle up if you're heading outside these next couple of days, because it will be very cold. Just a few clouds lingering around this morning with a few chances for a bit of light snow during the afternoon hours, and it will remain around into tomorrow morning as well, while most of that lake effect staying once again off to our east and portions of southwest Michigan, with just a few breaks between the clouds here and there. I mentioned before, we're not adding on to the total very much when it comes to snowfall. Only about a ½ inch to an inch of snow is expected throughout the entire system. Again, most of it staying off to our east in portions of southwest Michigan. So for tonight, around 6 degrees for that overnight low temperature. Again, that high will be around 17 degrees with a chance of snow winds coming out of the west at 10 miles per hour. And then tonight, only 11 degrees, very cold conditions with that chance of snow remaining around. Northwest winds at 15 miles per hour, making that wind chill feeling like it is below zero. And then Thursday, look at that high temperature, 5 degrees. Yes, you are seeing that correctly, with an overnight low of negative 16 degrees. Friday, 14 degrees. Saturday, if you can call it a warm-up, you can call it a warm-up. 25 degrees for that high temperature, and then cooling back down to around 20 degrees on Sunday, with clouds intermittent throughout the next few days. But the main weather factor will be that it will be very cold, so bundle up.